Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maahek Nair and that's Praveen Nair, and a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition.
So today we've got keto pink pancake for you. So as it says pink, which means it's gonna be damn tasty. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
Yeah.
First, you have to take a beetroot, a medium-sized one, and then you're gonna boil it for almost 4 to 5 whistles in a cooker. Then post that, we're gonna just peel out the skin of the beetroot. After peeling the skin, I have chopped the beetroot into 4 parts.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna take a blender. We're gonna use the half beetroot which I previously boiled and peeled. I'm gonna use 1 cup of almond milk. While I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna just grind it. You can take 2 eggs. I'm gonna put 1 by 1 into the blender. I'm gonna take 1 more. There we go. So I'm going to use about half tablespoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to use pancake syrup, which is a maple syrup. If you're using completely into keto, if you're in keto or following complete ketogenic diet, you should use at least stevia instead of pancake syrup. I'm going to use 1, 2, and so about 3 tablespoons of it. I'm going to have 35 grams of keto flour, which is a mix of almond flour and coconut flour. So I have measured all these things in advance and kept it by side. So this is butter. You're going to put the butter in the blender so it becomes blended with the butter. We're going to blend all together now. Alright, so I'm now opening the blender, and now you can see that it's all mixed very nicely and neatly, and so now it's ready to go on the pan. So the pancake mixer is completely ready. I'm going to pour this into another utensil. Alright guys, you're going to flame the gas up, put the pan on the gas and put some nice oil. As I always keep saying, I love coconut oil. So I'm going to pour some coconut oil in that one. And then let it get warmed. So you want to be doing this one at a low flame. We got some, I'm going to spread that oil all over the place on the pan. I've taken a ceramic pan. Alright, so our first pancake is ready. And it's ready to go.
And a delicious, yummy looking pancake is ready. Keto pink pancake.
Alright, we've got a keto pink pancake here, and as I said, it looks yummy. And trust me, it's amazing.
So this pancake is loaded with lots of nutrients. It has almond flour, a keto flour. It also has almond milk, butter. That means it's going to provide you great satiety and is an amazing meal.
And we believe that if you're eating food, that should provide you some really good nutrient, and that's the reason you probably have food. So let me go and have a taste of this one. You want to have it?
Oh, thank you.
Alright, there you go.
Oh wow, it's amazing. Alright, to get such kind of amazing recipes, you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and of course, you want to make sure that you share the channel with friends and family, that they get an amazing channel which has information, recipes, and of course, lots and lots of workout videos, which is trying to look at programs. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers up.
And now he's going to have this yummy pancake.